Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. Just doing another a little bit more in depth of the Cessna 150. So let's get started. So this is the Cessna 150. It's a huge plane. It's a 83.7 inch wingspan, so about 7 feet. It's an electric airplane. It's a foam construction. Foam is pretty forgiving in a crash, unless it's hit by a car or something. But anyway, yeah. So I'll show you what this is all about, what I know, and I'll let you guys get to see the lights. It's the sticker for this year of the AMA or Academy of Aeronautics. All right. Well, so this is a 6+ channel airplane. So it's got your standard 4 channels. You have your throttle for the front, ailerons here, then you have your rudder and your elevator, and then your other 2 channels are the flaps, which are they currently have disconnected, and I'll show you and tell you why here in a bit. But anyway, it's got wing struts, massive, and it's got a functioning nose strip. Alright, so the parts it comes with is a 15x7 propeller. Like I said, it's all electric. It's a plug-and-play, bind-and-fly, basic. And I love this airplane so far. I haven't flown it yet, but I will mate in it soon, once the weather clears up. Alright, let's get into the inside. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I missed. Alright. So, this is the battery compartment that the battery goes in. It's a pretty big battery compartment, so you can imagine a huge battery. This is what the battery looks like. So it's a 6S 22.2 volt 5000 milliamp, and it's 2 3S batteries combined to make one. So the math there is 3 + 3 = 6. And so this will go in, and this connects the 2 batteries together, and then it comes out to that. But yeah, so we'll get that connected. You guys can see the wiring in there. Oh, so yeah, it's a great plane. I love it. Can't wait to fly it because it's also an aerobatic plane, so you can put anything. It'll handle anything you throw at it. Rolls, snaps, invert flying. It flies slow, flies fast, and yeah. Let's see if we can get this connected. Just set you right there. All right. So these will connect here. Let's connect them. Sorry, I keep putting the camera down. I'm using the phone currently, but hear those tones, so it means it's plugged in and ready. And show you guys the lights here. So you can see it's got strobe on both wings. And you have a green on the right and a red one on the left, or navigation lights. And then you have your LEDs here that are pretty bright. So this is like a night flight version, which I thought was really cool. Only cost like $400, but you have the beacon and the tail light there. Like I said, huge plane, but I'm excited to fly it. One thing I would probably change about this would be the wheels. The wheels are 3 3/4 size wheels, but they're like a plastic, so they make a lot of ruckus when they're taking off or landing. But yeah, unfortunately with electric airplanes, there's a little bit more risk of fire hazard and electrocution hazard with batteries, because I guess it's electric. But yeah, just as long as we're safe with them, we're all good. Anyway, so that's that part. And then you have another hatch here, and this is where the wings connect. So yeah, I have to turn the lights back on. But yeah. So there's these 2 screws here, and it's plug and play, so it will, yeah, it automatically connects. Anyway, that's a Cessna 150 for you, and hopefully in a couple days I'll be able to fly it, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Alright, have a good week.